Hello, Aaron from AaronOnAutos.com here. Today I am going to do a bit of a science experiment. I have these DeskTech 3D goggles. You put a device in there and then you can see things in 3D. I also have this 3D drawing pen. So it draws, you make 3D objects like a printer. I am going to combine these and see what happens. This could be a bit dangerous. We could be looking at rifts in the space-time continuum, a lot of things like that. But I'm willing to do that for you. So let's get started.